Welcome to the in front of me BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first we should go into the settings application and then tap here on the sound section. After that we'll see here the ringtone volume panel. And now just to mute our device ringtone, we should swipe to the left side this white dot with our finger. And also we can do it by the second way, just press up or down volume button on the right side of your device, and after that click here on these three dots, and here we can also mute our device ringtone by swipe this blue dot to the left side and then just click here to done to save the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.